To install SQL, the first thing that we need to do is go to Terminal. Later you need to write this code, and don't worry if you don't know the meaning of every word, you only need to understand how it works. And writing SQL, if you press the button tab in the keyboard, will appear suggestions for you. The program that we want to install is SQLite browser. If this function is really good if you don't know the name of the program that you want to install. You need to create your password and the process will start. To continue and finish the process, it's necessary to write yes. You need to wait some seconds until the installation is finished. A way to do it faster is doing the same than before, I mean, writing the code and writing yes in the same line. When the process is done, you only need to search the program and you can start to use it. The next step is create a database. If you don't know how to do it, go to my next videos.